Hi there, Ian Crawford here, inviting you along to the upcoming workshops on managing conflict and difficult people. I'm sure there's been times in your school community, including your P&C work, where conflict has got in the way. I've put together a specifically built workshop for those people working in the P&C and school environment on ways on how to prevent and manage conflict when it arises. I'm going to give you really easy strategies that you can take away and implement straight away into your P&C that allows you to reduce the level of conflict occurring and also on how to handle it really easy. We have put on multiple workshops around the metropolitan area, so it's really easy for you to come along. It's going to be interactive, it's going to be fast, and it's going to be really fun. Seats are limited. What are you waiting for? Click on the link below to get more information, and I can't wait to see you all again.